Now we have all of our colors picked up. We can just try to create a variance of it, because if we use the same color in all places it may become boring and there won't be any variation, or the design might look not as we expected. Right now I'm duplicating it to create variants of it. I don't know how many versions I'll be using, but we should create a detailed color palette so we won't be running out of ideas. The first one will be primary, and we can just use a different color style.
Is 0 hours.
It's called HSL, hue, saturation, and lighting. We won't be touching hue and saturation levels. We will just change the lighting so it becomes lighter or darker as the level changes. Right now it's 56. To create a variance, lighter variance, we just add up 10. You can add directly if you don't want to do the math. And this continues. Last time we added 10, now we can add 20. This time it will be 68, 86, and we just need to add one more, so the next one will be 96. It's almost white but not white. We can use it for shadow or some other stuff like this. To create darker versions, we subtract 10. The really dark versions can be used as body text color. And this one becomes minus 30. And this one becomes minus 40. I guess that's enough, but if you want to do a really detailed color palette, you can add one more. So the next one will be just 6 and you can subtract 10 anymore. You see it's really dark right here. We can do the same with all the colors, not to confuse them later. Let me call this one primary, as I specifically want to use in most of the case, maybe. Or we can call it primary and put it here. Primary colors. It will be the same process. So let me duplicate it. can set the lighting to 0 as it becomes pure black. So we'll be deleting this color right here. Let's call it secondary. And this process continues with this color as well. Let's see, 49, this becomes 59, this becomes 69, and the next one becomes 79, 89, and it's almost white. 99 becomes almost pure white, so we don't need that side, that color. And this becomes 39, 29, 19, and 9. And the next one, although we use just 5 or 6 color at maximum in our project, it's a good practice to create this color palette, so it will be easier to update colors for the user or the employee when they feel like changing the color or try out different colors, and your work will look professional as well. Let me subtract 10 to this 41, 31, 21, 11, and let me show you one thing. If I choose 1 here, it will be very difficult for a human eye to differentiate it from the black, so we won't be using it. It's the same with this one, I guess. Yeah, but I'm going to use it in text color, this one, so we won't need that black. And the last one is our fail color. Did I place it right? I guess so. By the way, the keyboard shortcut I'm using is Command D, so when you unselect it, it takes the difference, it takes the distance between the last copy and this copy and creates the next copy in the same distance. This was the primary line, I guess. Let me make it 67, 77, 87, and the last one 97, almost white. This one 47, 47, 37, 38, 27 and 17. Now we have our color palette ready. Let's put the names here. Let me duplicate it. Real quick. Okay. Pick the alignment correct. Secondary. Success. Danger. And fail. We can use sections. We can use a big frame with white background to make it distinguishable from outside. Let's call it color palette. Now we have our color palette ready. In the next section, we will make it components, and it will be all of these colors will be accessible from every place of our project.